Good evening everyone. Welcome to my class. Today's class we are going to discuss science, Karnataka TET science, the topic motion. In the topic motion we are going to solve some of the few important MCQ questions. And also I uploaded the theory part of a motion. Please watch that video, then solve MCQ questions. It will help for you to clear the concept. You can understand the concept. Once you understand the concept, easily you can answer MCQ questions. Okay, let us start the class now. Okay. First question: a body is dropped from a tower, then there is an increase in its first option mass, second one velocity, third option acceleration, fourth one potential energy. What is the correct answer? A body is dropped from a tower. When you drop a body from a tower, then there will be an increase in its. What is the answer for this? When you drop a body from a tower, then when the body is coming down, then because of the earth gravitational force, normally the velocity of the object it will be increases. Yes, velocity it will be increases. Next one, easy question that one. Next question, second question. A body of mass 20 kg, mass is given, is lying at rest. The body it will be at rest under the action of a constant force. When you apply a constant force, it gains a speed of 7 meter per second. Speed is given. What will be the work done? The work done by the force will be, when you applied a force, what will be the work done? They are asking here. What is given? Let us write here. Mass of the body is given, that is 20 kg. Then here you can observe, when the body it will be at rest means, that is initial velocity. Initial velocity it will be 0. Always remember, when the body is at rest, initial velocity is always 0. That one you have to remember. Next one, under the action of a constant force, it gains a speed of 7 meter per second. Then final velocity it will be 7 meter per second. Then what will be the work done by the force will be? What will be the work done? They are asking. Then work done it will be, you know the formula, work done it will be equal to change in kinetic energy. Change in kinetic energy. Wait a minute. Sorry, some disturbance. Okay, you know, yes, because near to my home construction is going on, that's why so much disturbance. That's why I close the window, otherwise you will feel some noise. Okay, let us discuss second question. Here mass is given 20 kg. When the body is at rest, initial velocity it will be 0. Then final velocity is given. When you applied a force, what will be the work done? They are asking. Work done it will be here change in kinetic energy. You know the formula, change in kinetic energy it will be equal to of mv square. Then here of into mass of the body is given, that is 20. Then v square means 7 square. You can write 7 into 7 also. Then 2 ones are 2, 10s are 7 square means 49. 49 into 10, 490 joule. This is the work done. Work done they are asking here. Work done it will be 490 joule. Easy question. Everything they are given. You have to substitute in the formula. Work done it will be equal to change in kinetic energy. You know the formula of mv square. Substitute you will get. Let us move to the next question. Next question. A particle is traveling with a constant speed. If a particle is moving with a constant speed, this means, what is mean by that? First option, its acceleration is 0. Second option, it covers equal distance in equal intervals of time. Third option, its positions remain constant as time passes. Fourth one, more than one of the above. If a particle is traveling with a constant speed, if it is traveling with a constant speed, then it will cover equal distance with equal intervals of time. This one we can consider as a uniform motion also. If it is traveling with a constant speed, if it is covers equal distance with equal interval of time, that we will consider as a uniform motion. That is the definition of uniform motion also. Okay. Next question. The motion of the body moving along a circular path is an example of. If a body is moving in a circular path, then this is an example of a first option decelerated motion, second one accelerated motion, third option non-uniform motion, fourth one uniform motion. Here you have to remember here, if a body is moving in a circular path, okay, then acceleration of the body it will be go on changes, because each and every point when a body is moving in a circular path, the direction it will change. Even when the direction change, speed also it will change. Therefore, this is an example of a accelerated motion. Okay, because the speed also change and also with direction, that is nothing but change in velocity is nothing but accelerated motion. That one you have to remember. Then next question. If you know the concept only, you can answer the question. That's why I am requesting those you will watch this video first MCQ question, please go through my theory part of a motion. Then once you complete that one, then you can easily solve MCQ questions. Okay. Next question. A passenger in a moving bus is thrown forward when the bus suddenly stops. This is explained. First option by Newton's first law, second one by Newton's second law, third option by Newton's third law, fourth option by the principle of conservation of momentum. This is nothing but Newton's first law. Okay, a passenger in a moving bus is thrown forward because according to the Newton's first law, if an object is at rest or inertia, it will be in the state of rest or inertia. If you want to change the position, you have to apply a force. In a bus, the passenger it will be at the rest, only the bus it will move. Means you are applying a force on the bus, you are not applying a force on a passenger. Passenger body it will be in the state of rest or inertia. Therefore, when the bus suddenly when it starts, then the passenger he will move forward. Okay. Next question. This is nothing but Newton's first law. Okay, next question. An echo returned in 2 seconds. What is the distance of the reflecting surface from the source given that speed of the sound is 342 meter per second? Speed of sound is given how much? 342 meter per second. Here the time is taken for hearing an echo is 2 seconds. Time also given 2 seconds. Okay, to reach the echo sound, the time it will be 2 seconds. You know the formula, V it will be distance divided by time. Otherwise distance, you know the formula, velocity it will be equal to distance or displacement you can consider, but here speed we will consider, distance traveled we will consider, it will be equal to divided by time. Here echo means, consider here one person is there, then here echo up to some, consider any rigid wall or like that. Then when this person, when he will produce the sound, then this sound it will travel, it will hit this wall, again it will come back. Therefore this distance, then distance you have to write it as 2 into d, because echo here they are given t, it will be 2 seconds to hear the echo sound. How much time you need? That is nothing but 2 seconds. But here once the person he will produce the sound, then it will move that towards the wall, it will hit, once again it has to come back. Therefore distance in this case it will be 2 into d. Distance traveled we can consider 2d, it will be equal to velocity into distance. Okay, then 2d velocity, the speed of the sound, sorry, not velocity, speed of the sound. Here we are considering a distance, no, that's why we have to consider the speed. Here v means speed, not velocity. Here speed, always remember v is speed. Speed of the sound is given, that is 342 meter per second, time is 2 seconds. Then 2 it will get cancelled, then the distance it will be 342 meter. Here the correct answer is 342 meter. Here the velocity it will be distance divided by time. Here why I consider 2d, distance traveled, otherwise distance it will be speed into time, but here I consider 2 into d because here you can observe the echo. Once the sound produced, it has to move in this direction, it has to hit the wall, again it has to come back. Therefore distance it will become double only in the case of when you are solving the problem based on the echo. You have to consider 2 times of the distance. Okay, 2 into d you have to consider, then solve, you will get the answer. Next question. Yes. Next, why are the soles of the shoes threaded? Okay, then first option, to give the shoes more protection. Second one, to decrease friction. Third option, to increase friction. Fourth option, to increase life of the shoes. Here why the soles of the shoes is threaded? Okay, why? To increase the friction. Always remember, to increase the friction we will use that one. Next, in a uniform circular motion, first option, the velocity is constant. Second option, distance is constant. Third one, displacement is constant. Fourth option, speed is constant. Already I told, in a uniform circular motion, they are mentioned here, uniform circular motion. When a object is moving in a circular path, already they mention the object is moving in a uniform motion, then speed it will be a constant. Okay, if it is non-uniform, then velocity maybe changes, that is different case, but they mentioned in the case of a uniform circular motion, then speed it will be constant. Then next question, a train accelerates from 18 km per hour to 72 km per hour in 10 seconds. The distance traveled by the time. Consider here initial velocity 18 km per hour. Final velocity it will be 72 km per hour. Then here time is given 10 seconds. Then here time is given in terms of second, then this kilometer per hour you have to convert in terms of meter per second. When you want to convert kilometer per hour to meter per second. Okay, then you have to multiply the number, any number, with 5 by 18, then it will become meter per second. Then here 18 into 5 by 18 meter per second. If you want to convert from meter per second to kilometer per hour, you have to take the reciprocal 18 by 5. That is the easiest one, remember. Then 18 it will get cancelled, then 5 meter per second. Here also 72 into 5 by 18, then 18 ones are 18 fours are 4 fives are 20 meter per second. Then you have to substitute in the formula. You know the final velocity, initial velocity, and also time is given, everything is given. Then acceleration, it will be equal to a, acceleration it will be equal to change in velocity means v minus u divided by t. V value is 20, then u value is 5, then t value is 10, then this it will be in meter per second per second. Okay, then this one 20 minus 5 15, 15 by 10 is nothing but 5 3s are 5 2s are 3 by 2 is nothing but 1.5 meter per second square, because second you have to multiply, you will get meter per second square. You know acceleration is unit is meter per second square, remember like that. Then next one, what you have to calculate, you have to calculate the displacement ut plus of at square. Yes, it will be equal to ut plus of at square. What you have to calculate, distance traveled, not displacement, distance traveled. Then here substitute, here initial velocity is 5, then time is 10 second, then 1 by 2 into acceleration is 1.5 into again time is 10 into 10. Then if you simplify all this one, you will get, okay, I will simplify, 5 into 10 50 plus 2 ones are 2 5s are 50 into 1.5, you will get 75. Then 50 plus 75 is 125 meter. Therefore the distance traveled, it will be 125 meter. Third option is the correct one, 125 meter. Easy question. What is given, you have to remember, then you have to substitute. A train is accelerated, initial velocity, final velocity is given, time also given. Then you have to calculate here distance traveled, yes, you have to calculate. Then here how you will get a acceleration, change in velocity divided by time. Then you know the formula of distance traveled. Okay, substitute, you will get the answer. Motion questions are easy, problems also easy, even MCQ questions also it will be easy. If you know the concept, if you have to remember the formula, then only it will become easy, otherwise it will be difficult. Next question, an object of mass 6 kg, mass is given, how much? Mass of the object is given 6 kg. Then is sliding on a frictionless horizontal surface with a uniform speed 8 meter per second. Here even they are given, here speed is given 8 meter per second, 8 meter per second, but here they are given one of the important thing, frictionless horizontal surface. Friction is not there, friction it will be 0. The force required to keep the object moving at the same speed along the same straight line is, here the correct answer for this question is 0 Newton. Why it will be 0? You know the formula, F is equal to m into a. Here mass is given 6 kg, but acceleration it will be 0. Then force it will be 0. Why acceleration is 0 here? I underline the word here, frictionless horizontal surface. When the friction is not there, when the friction is there, then you will observe a change in acceleration, change in velocity. Change in velocity, it will lead to change in acceleration. But if your body is moving in a frictionless horizontal surface, when the friction is zero, then acceleration of the object, it will become zero. Then you will get in that case force also zero, that is 0 Newton. Okay. Next question, very easy, simple questions. Next, a body of mass 50 kg, mass is 50 kg, accelerated from rest. When you see the word rest, you have to remember initial velocity, it will be 0. Okay. Then at rest, from rest at the rate of 8 meter per second square, then a acceleration, it will be 8 meter per second square. What distance the body travels in 15 seconds? Time also given 15 seconds. What will be their distance they are asking? Yes, it will be how much? Sorry. Next, you know the formula. Yes, it will be equal to ut plus of a t square. Here no need to calculate the change in acceleration, sorry, change in velocity, because acceleration directly they are given. Initial velocity 0 means this term it will get cancelled. 0 into t, it will become 0, plus of into acceleration is 8, then time it will be 15 into 15 t square, that's why. Then yes, it will be equal to 2 ones are 4s are, multiply, you will get 900 meter. Therefore the correct answer is 900 meter. Okay. Motion problem, you have to remember all the three. When the object is moving in a linear motion, you will get three equations. That three equations you have to remember. Okay. Next question. A car approaches a school zone, slow down from 36 meter per second to 9 meter per second with constant acceleration minus 3 meter per second square. How much time is car required to slow down to final velocity? Here initial velocity of the car is given 36 meter per second. Final velocity is given 9 meter per second. Then acceleration here minus, because the minus 3 meter per second square. Then time is how much they are asking here. You know the formula, V is equal to U plus AT. This is U. I will write properly. This is U. Then V minus U. Yes, you know one more formula. Acceleration, it will be V minus U divided by T. But here I need T. Therefore, V minus U divided by A. Then what is the value of final velocity? 9. Initial velocity is 36. Then acceleration is minus 3. 36 minus 3 is minus 27 divided by minus 3. Then 3 ones are 3 nines are. Then here minus divided by minus, both also it will become plus. Then you will get 9 seconds. Then here the correct answer for this question is 9 seconds. If you want to decrease the velocity from 36 meter per second to 9 meter per second with an acceleration minus 3 meter per second square, then how much time is car is required to slow down the final velocity is nothing but 9 seconds. Very easy question. Today's last question. A free fall in true sense occurs only. What is mean by a free fall? First option in the sea, second option in the atmosphere, third option in the air, fourth option in vacuum. The correct answer for this question is in vacuum. We will call it as a free fall. Okay. Remember that one. I think everyone, please watch my video regularly. I know TET exam is less than 20 days are there. Now onwards I am trying to upload at least 2-3 videos per day because only 20 days are left for this TET preparation. That's why last week I'm not feeling well. That's why I'm not able to upload the videos. But now I'm okay. From today onwards, definitely 2-3 whenever I will be free, I will discuss even live also question answers, multiple choice questions. Then already I prepared the theory part. Okay, please watch the theory part of the physics also, not physics, science, in especially in the TET. Even maths also I am trying to take every day, one maths, one science class, lives, MCQs, and also one more class, theory class, recorded class I will upload that also. I'm planning to do at least 3-4 classes per day because only less number of days are there to prepare for a TET class. That's why please cooperate with me. Whenever you are having the time, please watch my videos. Please support me and share my videos to your friends. Tell them to subscribe, and also definitely it will helpful for you to upcoming exam. I am here to help you to clear hstr, tet, ctet, and even gpstr also. That's why please be with me. Whenever the notification comes, we can clear all the exams. Okay, thank you everyone. Thanks for listening my class. Whenever you are having the free time, watch my videos. Okay. Okay, thank you once again. Thanks for watching my class.